Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a list of 50 things that you can do when you're bored during summer, because it's summer and I'm already bored, so why not? So if you do enjoy this video or find it useful, please hit that thumbs up down below and subscribe if you want to, and let's just get straight into the video. So the first thing you can do is start a YouTube channel. Now summer is literally the best time to do this. I'm gonna try and make as many videos as possible during summer because I just have so much spare time. I literally have like 10 weeks off or 8 weeks, something like that. So this is definitely the best time to really, get out all those videos you can. And if you want to build a YouTube channel, this is the perfect time where you have lots of spare moments to edit and film. It's just a really good opportunity to sort of focus on your YouTube channel. And the second thing is to go to the gym. Personally, I'm not going to do this, but I have been trying to do like workouts at home, and I'm trying to get a little bit fitter, and summer's just a good time to do it. You don't have to worry about work or school work or anything like that, so you can just really focus on your health. Okay, so the third thing is to get a summer job. Now I'm going to be doing this. I'm probably going to work at Asda or something like that down the road, just to earn some money and get some experience. This is literally the perfect time, so just go and get a little summer job. The fourth thing is to get a tan. So go out on the beach, go outside in the sun, get a nice golden glow, and then you can go back to school feeling really healthy and glowy and yeah, all tanned up. Linking with this, the fifth thing is to go to a beach or visit a foreign country. So I went to Spain last week and I've come back with a really nice tan. And just dedicate like a day to going on the beach, just laying there, relaxing, getting a nice tan. Okay, another thing you can do is to learn an instrument. So I have my piano downstairs and also have a guitar. So I'm planning on trying to get better at piano because I've never had lessons. So I'm just going to try and teach myself, and I might get lessons. Again, there's a lot of time to focus on it and it's a really good thing to do. Okay, another thing, I know summer is not about work at all, but maybe dedicate a few hours, like literally you could just do an hour, depending on where you are in your education, just check out what's coming next. So for example, I've just finished my GCSEs, so I might look at my A-level courses, have a look what they involve, just have a little browse. You don't have to do any work, but just, just get yourself prepared for what you're going into, because you have a lot of time to actually check it out, so then when you actually get there you'll be prepared and know what you're doing. Another thing you can do is to read more. Now I literally never ever read. I just completely stopped in about year 7. I haven't read a book since year 7, which is really bad. So over summer maybe set yourself a target, say, I don't know, 10 books during the whole summer. And yeah, reading's just a really good way to escape and you have loads of time to dedicate to it. Okay, another thing you can do is to binge watch a TV show. Now mine is going to be Love Island because I've just got home from holiday and I have about 10 episodes to watch, so tomorrow my whole day is going to be completely dedicated to just watching Love Island, and that's just honestly such a good stress reliever. And just pick a series, just binge watch it the whole day with your popcorn, Okay, also you can redecorate your room. Now I haven't done this, but I'm planning on doing it. I might repaint my walls because they're currently just white, so I might like try with a different colour, and it can just be really fun to just get a whole new sort of look in your room. Another sort of redo thing, you can redo your entire wardrobe. So you can go out, get loads of new clothes, get rid of all your old clothes that you don't want anymore, and just spruce up your wardrobe a bit. Okay, pretty much the same as the last one, but go out on a shopping haul. Maybe go with your mum or with your friends and just, dedicate £50 or something, just spend it all. Get loads of nice summer clothes and it will just be really fun. Another thing you can do is to try a new sport. So maybe go out, try tennis, or if you go on holiday you could try water skiing or jet skiing or something crazy like that, or kayaking, and that's just like a really fun thing to do and it's just a new experience. Linking to that, you can also try a new food, maybe be a bit more adventurous. I know I'm a very fussy eater and I'm not adventurous with my food, so over summer I might try some new things, be a bit more exotic, Another thing you can do is to visit a new place. It doesn't have to be abroad, but within the country. You go to a museum or a theme park or somewhere you've never been before that you've really wanted to see, It's just a really great opportunity to go out and see something you've never seen before. Also, you can do an all-nighter, which I've never done before, but it's literally the perfect time. You have nothing to wake up for, nothing to worry about. So just do it. Get your friends over, have a sleepover, and just stay up all night. Okay, now this is obviously optional, but you can get drunk. I'm not gonna do this. Well, at least I don't think I am, because I'm only 16. But you know, if you're a bit older, then you'll probably be doing that during summer. So you know, try it out. Now this is one that I really want to do, but I'm just too scared. So this one is to meet up with an old friend. So I have a lot of friends from primary school that I haven't seen in like 5-6 years. And to be honest, I don't talk to them anymore, but like they were still some of my closest friends. And it's just nice to say, maybe like ask them if they want to meet up sometime and just catch up where you left off and just see how they're doing and stuff. That would be really nice. Another thing you can do is to draw or paint something, and then if it turns out well, frame it. If it doesn't, still frame it, put it up on your wall. Just very relaxing, just a nice thing maybe to go with decorating your room. Okay, another thing you can do is to go on a family outing. Now, I know personally I don't go out with my family that much, so maybe just get together, say, you know, do you want to go somewhere, do something, and I bet you'll have a really good time. And especially during exams and stuff, you sort of lose, well, I found you can sort of lose your connection with your family a bit because you're so busy, so this is the perfect time to just spend as much time as possible with them. Another thing you can do is to go swimming in the sea. Now obviously if you go on holiday, this is a lot easier. You don't want to be swimming in England's waters, that's kind of disgusting. But yeah, just if you go on holiday, go in the sea, just chill. Like it's so relaxing and it's such a good experience. Like just swim out and just, obviously don't drown, but just swim out and just, oh, it's so nice. Just look at the mountains and the views. And linking to that, you should watch a sunset. Now, I did this when I was in Spain and it was literally the most beautiful thing ever. And it's just such a calming experience, and just definitely go and do it. Okay, the next one is probably if you're a bit older, but the next one is to plan out some travelling. So, for example, if you're in a gap year, you could have a look at sort of trains and apartments, hotels, see where you'd like to go, see the cost. And just take some time to just plan stuff out, because this is literally a perfect time to do that. Okay, the next one is to start a journal. Now I haven't done this, but I probably wouldn't do this, but I can imagine it's really good. You don't have to fill it in every day, but just sort of log what you're doing. If you have a really good experience, just jot it down and say how your day was, and then you can look back at it and see what you did over the summer, and you'll probably see that you actually did quite a lot of cool stuff. Next thing is to spend £100. Now obviously it isn't meant to offend anyone, but if you have a bit of money in your bank account, you haven't really spent it, just go on a haul, just dedicate £100 and spend it on literally whatever you want. Like you could literally buy whatever you want, that would be like so cool. This one is to have a sleepover. A lot of people have sleepovers on a trampoline, but I've seen it where people, one of their friends has a pool and then you get inflatables and you sleep in the inflatables on the pool. And I really want to do that. I think that would be so fun. The next thing is to stay out till dark with your friends. Obviously, if your parents don't let you, then don't. Like, it's dangerous. But just sort of let it go. Just stay out till late. Just go around messing around. Like, honestly, just have a fun time. The next one is to have a massive clear out, basically. So I've just finished my GCSEs, so I'm going to throw away all my old books. I might sell some of them, and just in general just have a massive clean up. If there's any old clothes you don't want, you can sell them on Depop or something like that. And yeah, just clear it up, you know. Okay, the next one is to start a photo wall. So I've actually already started doing this, and I basically just take any cool photos I've taken, print them out, and then I have this board with pins where I can just stick it on, and then the board can like hang on my wall. And I'm just creating a massive collage, and it's such a nice thing to have hanging in your room. The next thing is to have a pamper day. So go get a massage, get your nails done, have a face mask, anything you want. Just go and literally get pampered for the whole day and just chill. Okay, so the next one is to go and visit a school or university that you want to go to. So I'm going to sixth form in September, so I'll have induction days coming up like next week. So I'm going to go to those. Obviously, I'm staying at the school I was at. But if you're moving, go check out the school, see what it's about, and yeah. Okay, so another thing you can do is dye your hair or get highlights or something like that. I I kind of want blonde highlights. My hair's like kind of browny blonde. It's more like, it's quite light, but I quite like to get like blonde streaks in it. And obviously summer's the perfect time, you have no school, so you don't have to worry about getting told off or anything. So just go for it, like change up your style a bit. Okay, the next thing is to go on a long drive or a late night drive. Now, I think this would be really cool if you have a boyfriend or not. Just go with your friends, just drive into the night, just drive somewhere like you don't even know, not to be dangerous, but like just drive off and just have a fun time, you know. I think that'll be really cool. It's like really calming to go on really long drives, so yeah. The thing you can do is go to the cinema. Now personally I haven't been to the cinema in like, I literally can't even remember the last time I went because I just watch everything on TV, but it can literally be such a nice experience just to go with your friends, eat popcorn, just sit, relax and watch it on a massive screen, and then you can go do something after. It's just fun. Another thing you can do is learn a new language. Now I took Spanish for GCSE, but obviously during summer I haven't been learning it, but I might try and look into it a bit deeper and maybe learn a bit more. It's a really good thing to like keep your brain going as well, since you're not in school anymore. It's just like a subtle way to keep your brain working. Okay, another thing is to paint your own shirt or your book or something like that. Like just go to a craft store, buy a plain shirt or a plain book and just, you know, paint all over it. Yeah, it's just like a cool sort of DIY thing, and like personalise it. It'll probably be really fun. Another thing is to start watching a new TV show or series. I'm not really into Netflix or stuff like that, but I think summer is the perfect time to try out a new show, just watch a whole series and you'll probably find that you like it. Okay, another thing you can do is to do some gardening or plant some new flowers. If your garden's looking a bit dead, then just go out, buy some seeds and plant some new flowers. I think that would be a really fun little project. Okay, another thing you can do, I'm definitely going to do this one day, I think you should watch all the Harry Potter movies, just continuous, or just pick a series which has loads of like 2-hour long films. Just watch it all the way through and just stay up all night. The next one is sort of some self-care, so you can maybe go get your eyebrows done. Mine need doing really badly, they're really thick and disgusting. Or invest in some skincare, like do a face mask or something like that. Just sort of take some time to just take care of yourself. The next one is to learn to sing. Now, this probably sounds like, no, what the hell, you can't learn to sing. But there's loads of videos on YouTube of like voice lessons, vocal coaching, or you could even get singing lessons. Like you have like 6 weeks off, you could really improve your singing voice if you wanted to. The next thing is to go on a date. Now this doesn't necessarily have to be with a girlfriend or boyfriend. If you have like a best friend, just go for brunch with them or something, just go on a nice date and then maybe go out somewhere after, and that's just like a really fun little day out. The next one is to try a juice cleanse for a day. Now I'm thinking of doing this soon because I want to see like if it actually works, but just look on YouTube, look up some juice cleanses and just try it for a day and see if it does anything for you. Yeah, I think it'll be quite interesting to see. This one is to learn some hairstyles or how to braid your hair. Now personally, I always have my hair down, I never have it up or fancy or anything like that, and I would literally have no clue how to do a braid on myself. I can only do a plait. So I think that would be a really cool thing to learn how to do maybe like a fishtail braid or something, instead of having to get someone else to do it all the time. The next one is to have a party. Just get all your friends together, invite all the people you know, obviously if your parents allow you to, but it doesn't have to be any special occasion, just a nice summer party. Just invite everyone, loads of snacks, you know, maybe a sleepover, and, you know, just hold a party and be a cool kid. Okay, the next thing you can do is to go on a photo shoot. So you could take your friends with you, go out maybe at sunset or something, or to a really nice place and just take loads of photos, and then you could even get a Polaroid camera and print them out. And it's just a really cool thing to just go out and get some really cool pictures that you can maybe stick on your wall. The next thing is to paint on someone's body. Now this sounds weird, but even if you're not skilled, just maybe get a stencil or something and paint on your friend's like leg or somewhere, I don't know. That would give like a really cool summer vibe. Okay, the next thing is to get a tattoo. I'm not, before you shoot me, I'm not saying a real tattoo, but you know you can get those ones online that you just stick on. you could get a really cool one, and like when you go on holiday it will look really, really cool. Another one is to have a break from social media. I'm the biggest hypocrite ever because I said I was going to delete Instagram and Snapchat for as long as I could. Guess how long I lasted? Like 15 hours, then I had to get it back. But genuinely, just delete it for a few days. Maybe if you're going on holiday or something, just get rid of it and just have a good time, because I guarantee you'll feel so much better without your phone. Okay, and then last but not least, go on a plane. I went on a plane to Spain and I literally love flying. I love going on planes. I want to be a pilot when I'm older. And it's just a great experience. If you've never been on a plane before, definitely go, because you do not want to miss out on that. It's really cool. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I gave you some good ideas so you're not bored. And I hope you have a great summer, and I'll see you next time.